Welcome to the pre-series captain's briefing and the partner announcement of the Sri Lanka's Bangladesh bilateral series. And to do that, we have on the head table Mr. Dhananjay De Silva, Test Captain Team Sri Lanka, Mr. Najmul Hossain Shantu, Test Captain Team Bangladesh, Dr. Chatura Javardhan, Chief Marketing Officer, Abans PLC, and Mrs. Dhanushka Tamali Silva, General Manager, Marketing, Ceylon Biscuits Limited Group, Sri Lanka team. And in order to start the proceedings, I wish to invite Dr. Chatura Javardhan, Chief Marketing Officer of Abans PLC, to elaborate why his firm is partnering with this series.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I'd like to say thanks to Sri Lanka Cricket for giving this opportunity. So before I comment on anything about LG and Abans, I'd like to wish Dhananjay and national team, and of course Santos and the Bangladesh team, all the very best, strength and good luck for this series. We also are personally looking for a good series this time, and I hope that all the weather gods are in favor of us for tomorrow's match. So about LG, I think you guys all know that LG is a synonymous brand with cricket. LG has been contributing a large share of cricket, sponsoring numerous World Cups and of course national circuit of games. LG as a brand is very popular in this part of the world, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and of course in India. So that's why the brand has this love or the passion towards the game, the cricket, that which loved by all of us in this part of the world. So Abans, as the sole distributor for LG in Sri Lanka for the last 40 years, we're also happy, after quite a while, we are backing cricket with Sri Lanka Cricket in this Bangladesh and Sri Lanka trophy. And I'm personally looking forward to contribute with the LG brand, of course, national level and school level as well. So with that, I think I'll end my opening remarks. Again, thank you for Sri Lanka Cricket, and of course, thank you for all the media partners. And again, I'll keep my warm wishes for both the captains as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chatura. Now it would be next Mrs. Dhanushka Tamali Silva, General Manager Marketing, Ceylon Biscuits Limited, highlighting CBS association with the series and the Sri Lanka team. Dhanushka, up to you.
Right. Good afternoon, everyone. My dear members of media, esteemed officials of Sri Lanka Cricket, and of course the captains of Team Sri Lanka and Team Bangladesh, as well as members of the head table. So I think it's with a lot of pride as well as a lot of excitement that I'm here today on behalf of Munchie, #1 biscuit brand in the market, as well as the largest FMCG brand in Sri Lanka. And of course, talking about our partnership with Sri Lanka Cricket and being the sponsor of the back of jersey sponsor for the upcoming tournament between Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And speaking a little bit about Munchie. Munchie as a brand, I mean, we've been in the market for over 5 decades and almost 6 decades now. As a brand, something we strive to do every day is to really get closer to our consumers and understand their needs and wants and see how we can sort of best satisfy our consumers at the end of the day. And over the years, Munchie has definitely become a household name. And I think it's the very reason, the fact that we try to understand and be very close to our consumers have enabled us to be a household name. And today, Munchie is not just a brand, it's part of, every Sri Lankan's everyday life. And we are part and parcel of, those moments of joy where people come together, and of course, moments of national pride. And I think similarly, when you look at Sri Lanka Cricket also, we all know that, cricket is something that goes beyond just a sport. I would say it's a unifying force that brings all us as Sri Lankans together. When Team Sri Lanka takes the field, all of us unite as one unit in terms of, cheering them on and, supporting our team when they represent our nation. So I think, therefore, this partnership between Munchie and Sri Lanka Cricket was I would say, a very natural and synergistic one in our minds, because as two brands, we have a lot of shared values. So I would say it's much more than a sponsorship. I would say it's a celebration of shared values around unity, passion, and national pride. So once again, we are very honored to be sponsors, back of jersey sponsors for this upcoming tournament, and we do wish both the teams, both Team Sri Lanka and Team Bangladesh, all the very best. And once again, thank you to Sri Lanka Cricket for this opportunity, and very much look forward to being part of this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Danushka. Next, it will be the Q&A session with the captains and the sponsors. Please stick to the cricketing questions as well as if there's anything pertaining to the sponsor partnership. Right, Rex, you can start.
අන්තිම වර්ල්ඩ් ටෙස්ට් චැම්පියන්ෂිප් එකේ ඔබ අවසාන තරඟ අතරට යනකම් වගේ chance එක හිටියා අවසාන තරඟේ ක්‍රීඩා කරන්න ඒ අවස්ථාව අපිට අවසනාවන්ත ලෙස අයිමි වුණා මේ චැම්පියන්ෂිප් එකට යන්න කලින් කොහොමද තරඟාවලිය හොඳට ආරම්භ කරන්නේ කොතරම් වැදගත්ද
ඔව් වාකි වගේ සෑහෙන ක්ලෝස් හිටියා top 3 එන්නේ ඉතින් අවාසනාවට ඒක කරගන්න බැරි වුණා අපිට ඉතින් මම ඊයේ බොයිස් ලේක කතා කරා මම මතක් කරලා දුන්නේ ඒක අපිට කොහෙටද යන්න පුළුවන්කම තිබ්බේ අපි කොහෙන්ද නැවතුනේ කියන එක. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා මේ තරඟාවලිය හොඳ ආරම්භයක් ලබා ගත්තොත් the fact එක තමයි home series අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් මේ points අපි එකතු කරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ මේ series වලට යනකොට. ඉතින් හොඳ opportunity එකක් home series එකකින් පටන් ගන්න එක. ඉතින් හොඳ note එකකින් ඉවර ගන්න බලලා මේ තරඟාවලිය.
මේ අපි ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාත් එක්ක ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මාස පහකට කලින් දැන් අපි තව සීරීස් එකක් ශ්‍රී ලංකාව කරනවා. ඔයගේ ලොකු ගැප් එකක් තියෙනකොට කොහොමද ඕගොල්ලන් මොටිවේට් කරගන්නේ මේ ටෙස්ට් මැචස් ගන්න? අනිත් එක දැන් කොහොමද මේ දැන් වර්ල්ඩ් ටෙස්ට් චැම්පියන්ෂිප් ගැන කතා කරා. මේ වගේ ගැප් එකක් තියෙනකොට කොහොමද මේ වර්ල්ඩ් චැම්පියන්ෂිප් එකේ කොහොමද මුහුණ දෙන්නේ?
ඒක තමයි අපේ මම හිතන්නේ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස් ලගේ තියෙන ජොබ් එක අපි ඇඩැප්ට් වෙන්න ඕනේ හැමතිස්සෙම හැම සිටුේෂන් එකකටම. ඉතින් අපිට හම්බෙන්න ෆීචර්ස් වලින් අපි සෙල්ලම් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් අපිට කාටවත් බ්ලේම් කරන්න බෑ ඒකට. මොකද අපිට ගිය අවුරුද්දේ සෑහෙන මැචස් එක ළඟ හම්බුණා. ඉතින් මේ අවුරුද්දේ හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක අපිට අපේ අතේ තියෙන දෙයක් නෙමෙයි. නමුත් අපි ඒකට හැඩ ගැහිලා අපි බලනවා කොහොමද මේ තරඟාවලියට සූදානම් වෙන්නේ කියලා. හොඳ NSL තරඟාවලියක් තිබ්බා පහුගිය මාස ටිකේ. ඉතින් ඒකේ සූදානමයි ඒකේ performance උයි හොඳයි. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා ඒකෙන් තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලා ටීම් එක පික් කරන්න හම්බුනේ. හොඳ යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලා ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. ඒගොල්ලොත් එක්ක මේ ගමන ඉවරනකම් යන්න බලනවා.
ক্যাপ্টেন শান্ত মিরাজের আপডেট একটু জানাবেন আর এখানে আর কি আমাদের ব্যাটিং যদি চিন্তা করি আপনার মুশিক ভাইয়ের লিটন শ্রীলঙ্কার এগেনস্টে আর কি আমাদের বেশ ভালো আর কি ভালো স্মৃতি আছে বেশ কিছু আর কি এটা কি আপনাদেরকে মানে ব্যাটিং ওয়াইজ আর কি অনেক বেশি কনফিডেন্ট দিবে কিনা একটা আরেকটা চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপের সাইকেলের শুরুর আগে আর কি
না আমার মনে হয় যে প্রত্যেকটা সিরিজ এবং প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাচে আসলে নতুনভাবে শুরু করতে হয় অতীতে ভালো স্মৃতি আছে আমার মুশফিক ভাইয়ের বা লিটনের আপনি যাদের কথা বললেন সো হ্যাঁ ওটা অবশ্যই কাজে দিবে বাট আমাদের ইনিংসগুলো নতুন করে শুরু করতে হবে এবং আমার মনে হয় যে আমি বিশ্বাস করি যে আমরা যারা উপরের দিকে ব্যাটিং করি এখান থেকে একটা ভালো স্টার্ট আমরা দিতে পারবো টেস্ট চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপের কথা যেটা বললেন অবশ্যই খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ভালোভাবে আমরা যদি শুরু করতে পারি তাহলে টিমের জন্য ভালো হবে কারণ ভালো একটা অপরচুনিটি টিমটা যেরকম পেয়েছে ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা যদি আমাদের বেস্ট খেলাটা খেলতে পারি তাহলে ভালো রেজাল্ট করা সম্ভব মিরাজের অবস্থা আগের থেকে বেটার স্টিল অবজারভেশনে আছে আগের থেকে ভালো অবস্থানে আছে
শান্ত ম্যাথিউজ এই ম্যাচ দিয়ে রিটায়ারমেন্টে যাচ্ছে তার সাথে আপনার কোনো ভালো স্মৃতি রয়েছে কিনা এবং আপনি যদি দেখেন বাংলাদেশ ক্রিকেটে মানে যারা লিজেন্ডারি ক্রিকেটার ছিলেন তারা মাঠ থেকে বিদায়টা নিতে পারেননি আপনারা আসলে সামনের দিনগুলোতে তেমনটাই চান কিনা যে মাঠ থেকেই লিজেন্ডারি ক্রিকেটাররা বিদায় নেবেন এখনও মুশফিক যেহেতু খেলছেন সে এই সাদা পোশাকের ফরম্যাটটা নিশ্চিতভাবেই সে চাইবেন যে আসলে যারা এখনও খেলছেন তারা যেন মাঠ থেকে বিদায় নেন এমন ধরনের বিদায়টা নেন
না ম্যাথিউসের সাথে হ্যাঁ অপোনেন্ট টিমে তো খেলার অনেকবারই সুযোগ আছে অনেক ভালো ভালো স্মৃতিও আছে অবশ্যই তার জন্য শুভকামনা থাকবে ভালোভাবে যেন রিটায়ারমেন্টটা করতে পারে আমাদের ক্ষেত্রে যেটা বললেন যে রিটায়ারমেন্টের বিষয়টা এটা পুরোটাই ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল একটা ব্যাপার কে কখন কিভাবে প্ল্যান করছে আসলে এটা যার যার ব্যক্তিগত ব্যাপার অনেকের ইচ্ছা থাকে মাঠ থেকে নেওয়ার অনেকের সেরকম ইচ্ছা নাও থাকতে পারে সো যার যার ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ব্যাপার যদি অপরচুনিটি আসে এবং যে যেভাবে নিতে চায় সে যেন সেভাবে নিতে পারে এটাই আশা থাকবে
දන ලංකාවෙන් බිහිවෙච්ච ප්‍රබල ක්‍රීඩකයෙක් වුණ ඇන්ජලෝ මැතිව්ස්ගේ අවසන් තරඟයේ හෙට මොන වගේ ප්ලෑන් එකක් තියෙන්නේ හොඳ තරඟයක් දීලා එයාට හොඳ ෆෙයාවල් එකක් ලබා දෙන්න?
මම දැන් හොඳම දේ තමයි තරඟය ජයග්‍රහණය කරලා ඒ දෙන ෆෙයාවල් එක ඉතින් අපිට අවාසනාවකට දිමුත්ට ඒ දේ දෙන්න බැරි වුණා. ඉතින් මම පෞද්ගලිකව මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මගේ උපරිමය දීලා මේ තරඟය ජයග්‍රහණය කරලා ඇන්ජියට හොඳ ෆෙයාවල් එකක් දෙන්න.
දන ඔබ පෞගිය තරඟාවලි කීපෙම ප්‍රබත් ජයසූරියට තවත් ළඟපන්දු යොදවලා තියෙනවා. ඒතරම් සාර්ථකත්වයක් ලැබිලා නැහැ. රමේෂ් මෙන්ඩිස් කෙනුයි නිශාන් පීරිස් කෙනුයි මේ තරඟාවලට අලුත් ක්‍රීඩකින් සහ අකිල ධනංජ එක් වෙලා තිබෙනවා. මොන වගේ සංයුතියක් තියෙයිද හෙට තරඟයට?
අපි කතා වෙලා ගියේ අපි කතා වෙමින් යන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට 2-2 කම්බිනේෂන් එකකින් යන්නේ. ඉතින් තාම ටීම් එක ෆයිනලයිස් කරලා නැහැ. ඉතින් කවුද හොඳටම මේ වෙලාවේ පන්දු යවන්න 4 දෙනා කියලා තමයි දැන් බලන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් මේ 4 දෙනාව තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට යොදාගන්නේ. මොකද මමත් පන්දු යවන්න නිසා මේ තරඟාවලියේ ඉතින් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ ඉවිනිං එකේ ටීම් එක එළියට එයි.
Shanto, if I can ask you, it's a start of a new Test Championship. How important is it for you guys to start this series on a positive note?
I think very important. It's a good opportunity for us to start well in this Test Championship. We did some practice in Bangladesh. We had a good preparation. So I hope we'll start this competition very well.
শান্ত অ্যাঞ্জেলো ম্যাথিউসের শেষ টেস্ট, সেই টেস্টটার শেষটা আপনারা স্পয়েল করতে চাইবেন কিনা? মানে কতটুকু আশাবাদী বাংলাদেশ দল এই টেস্ট জিততে, আর এই টেস্ট থেকে আপনাকে ওপেনিংয়ে দেখা যাবে কিনা?
না, অবশ্যই তো আমরা জিততে চাইবো, অপোনেন্টের সাথে তো অবশ্যই জিততে চাইবো, এবং আমার ব্যাটিংটা আসলে কোন জায়গায় হবে এটা কালকে আমি আসলে বলতে চাই, কারণ আমি চাই না যে আমার অপোনেন্ট যে আছে আগে থেকে ওই ধারণাটা পাক। সো ইনশাল্লাহ কালকেই আসলে কি কম্বিনেশনে যাব আমরা তার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে আসলে 11 জন সাজানো হবে, কারণ এখনো স্টিল মিরাজ একটু শরীরটা খারাপ আছে, সো ডেভেলপ করছে, সো ওর উপরে অনেক কিছু ডিপেন্ড করতেছে, ওর অ্যাভেলেবিলিটি। সো ওই জায়গাটা যদি ঠিকঠাক থাকে তাহলে আমরা একটা ভালো কম্বিনেশন নিয়ে যেতে পারবো।
দানা මේ දිනුත් කරාරත්න රිටයර් වුණා, දැන් ඇන්ජලෝ මැතිව්ස් රිටයර් වෙන්න යනවා. නෝක මුහුණු කීපයක්ම සංචිතයට එකතු වෙලා තියෙන මොන වගේ අභියෝගයක්ද ඔබට තියෙන? විශේෂයෙන් එකපාරට දිනුත් ඇන්ජි කියන්නේ පළපුරුදුන පීඨකය දෙන්නේ නැති වීමත් එක්ක
ලොකු අභියෝගයක්. මොකද ගොඩක් එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් තියෙන කෙනෙක් ක්‍රිකට් එකේ, ඉතින් විශේෂයෙන්ම ටෙස්ට් ක්‍රිකට් එකේ. ඉතින් හැබැයි අපිට මම හිතන්නේ හොඳ බෑකප් එකක් තියෙනවා, හොඳ යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලා ටිකක් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් මම හිතන්නේ ලොකුවට පසුතැවෙන්න ඕනේ ටීම් එක හදද්දි. නමුත් පසුතැවෙන්න ඕනේ එකම කාරණාව තමයි මොකද ඇන්ජලෝ මැතිව්ස් ආයි ටෙස්ට් ක්‍රිකට් වල දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් එකම පසුතැවීම මේක තමයි මගේ තියෙන්නේ. නමුත් මම හිතනවා අපිට හොඳ බෑකප් එකක් ඉන්නවා කියලා ඉස්සරහට.
Yes sir. අපිට අනුග්‍රහය දක්වන සමාගම හැටියට අපි දැනගන්න කැමතියි ඇයි මේ වගේ දෙයකට අපිට හේතුව සහ මොනවද ඉදිරි මොනවද plans?
මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්වා වගේ LG බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක ගොඩක් ක්‍රිකට් එක පිටිපස්සෙන් හිටියා. මොකද ලංකාවේ සහ අනිත් රටවල් වල මම කිව්වා වගේ ගේම් එකට තියෙන ලව් එකට, ගේම් එකට තියෙන පැෂන් එකට තමයි බ්‍රෑන්ඩ්ස් මිනිස්සු අතර ඉන්න තමයි ඒක කරන්නේ. ඉතින් LG ගොඩක් ස්පොන්සර්ෂිප් වලින් අයින් වෙලා හිටියා පහුගිය අවුරුදු 10 වගේ කාලය ඇතුළත. බත් ලංකාවේ තියෙන දැන්ට තියෙන රටේ තත්ත්වයක් තියෙන පොසිටිව් ඉන්ටෙන්ට් එකත් එක්ක ඉතින් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඉදිරියටත් ශ්‍රී ලංකා ක්‍රිකට් එක එකව වෙලා වැඩ කරගෙන යන්න.
ඔව් මං හිතන්නේ මං කලින් සඳහන් කරා වගේ ඒ ගොඩක් ඒ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ්ස් දෙක, මේ කියන්නේ මංචි සහ ශ්‍රී ලංකා ක්‍රිකට් කියන බ්‍රෑන්ඩ්ස් දෙකටම තියෙන්නේ එක හා සමාන shared values. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයන් වශයෙන් brings a lot of joy, brings people together. ඒ කියන්නේ unite කරනවා අපි හැමෝමම. ඒ වගේම අපි ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය අනන්‍යතාවය ජාත්‍යන්තරයට ගෙනියන බ්‍රෑන්ඩ්ස් දෙකක්. ඒකින්ද ඒ පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් එක ගොඩක් natural partnership එකක් විදිහට අපිට දැනුණා. ඒ වගේම මංචි බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් විදිහට අපි ගොඩක් සැදී පැහැදී ඉන්නවා ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය ටැලන්ට් එක ඒ වගේම අපේ කල්චර් එක සහ අනන්‍යතාවයට ජාත්‍යන්තරයට ගෙනියන ඕනම දෙයකට සහයෝගය දෙන්න. මොකද බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් වශයෙන් කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ අපි ඒක. Thank you.
දනා මේ ලහිරු කුමාර අවසන් මොහොතේ මම හිතන්නේ මේ පළවෙනි ටෙස්ට් තරගයෙන් රත් වෙනවා ආබාධය නිසා ඉසිත විජේසුන්දර කැඳවලා තියෙන නවක වේගපන්දුවක අවස්ථාවක් හිමි වෙයිද?
මට හරියටම කියන්න බෑ කවුරු සෙල්ලම් කරයිද කියලා හිතයි. මොකද මේ වෙදර් කන්ඩිෂන් එකත් එක්ක ටීම් එක හදන්න චුට්ටක් අපිට වෙලා ගන්න වෙනවා. ඉතින් සිලෙක්ටර්ස් අතේ කතා කරනවා මම දැන් කෝල් එකේ හිටියේ. ඉතින් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට හවසට ටීම් එක එළියට
Me?
Yes, yes.
শান্ত শ্রীলঙ্কা জিম্বাবুয়ের বিপক্ষে ঘরের বাড়িতে টেস্ট হারতে হয়েছে ওই জায়গা থেকে সাম্প্রতিক অন্য ফরম্যাটগুলোতেও যদি পারফরমেন্স দেখি ভালো না সেই জায়গায় দলকে কিভাবে বুস্ট আপ করছেন আরেকটা বিষয় হচ্ছে টেস্টের সাথে না যদি প্রশ্নটা করি আপনাকে যে ওয়ান ডে ক্যাপ্টেন্সি চেঞ্জ হওয়া নিয়ে একটা কথা শুনেছি আপনার সাথে কথা হয়নি এই বিষয়টা নিয়ে যদি একটু ক্লিয়ার করতেন
আমার মনে হয় যে অতীতে আমরা আসলে জিম্বাবুয়ের সাথে কি সিরিজ খেলেছি আসলে ওটা নিয়ে খুব বেশি আগানোটা ঠিক হবে না কারণ আমরা যদি লাস্ট ম্যাচের কথা বলেন খুব ভালো স্মৃতি আগের ম্যাচটা আমরা হেরেছিলাম বাট পরের ম্যাচে যেভাবে কামব্যাক করেছিল দলটা আমার মনে হয় ওইটাই আসলে দলকে মোটিভেটেড করবে এবং নতুন একটা অপোনেন্ট এবং নতুন একটা কন্ডিশনে খেলা সো আমার মনে হয় এই কন্ডিশনে বেশ কিছু ক্রিকেটারের খেলার অভিজ্ঞতাও আছে সো এই অভিজ্ঞতাটা যদি কাজে লাগাতে পারে তাহলে এই সিরিজটা আমার মনে হয় যে ভালো কিছুই হবে বাট আমাদের ভালো ক্রিকেট খেলাটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট স্পেশালি আমরা যারা ব্যাটিং এর দায়িত্বে আছি এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আর আমার মনে হয় না যে ওয়ানডের এই বিষয়টা নিয়ে এখন কথা বলাটা যৌক্তিক কারণ একটা টেস্ট ম্যাচ শুরু হচ্ছে সো আমার মনে হয় যে এই সিরিজটা নিয়ে আমাদের বেশি ফোকাস করা উচিত
শান্ত ভাই আপনার টিমের অবশ্যই আপনি ক্যাপ্টেন হিসাবে আপনার শক্তি দুর্বলতা আপনার জানা আছে এই যে টিমটা আপনি পেয়েছেন সেই টিম নিয়ে আপনি কতটুকু সন্তুষ্ট আপনার স্ট্রং সাইড কি টিমের আরেকটা হচ্ছে যে সামনে নতুন একটা সার্কেল শুরু হচ্ছে টেস্ট চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপের অ্যাজ এ টেস্ট ক্যাপ্টেন আপনার কি প্রত্যাশা থাকবে অন্তত নির্বাচকদের কাছে বোর্ডের কাছে যে সামনে এই টেস্ট টিমটাকে আরও স্ট্রং করার জন্য
না এই যে টিমটা আমি পেয়েছি আমি এই টিম নিয়ে পুরোপুরি খুশি যে টিমটা আসলে আমি ব্যক্তিগতভাবে চেয়েছিলাম সিলেক্টররা ওইভাবে দিয়েছেন এবং সিলেক্টররাও এই টিমটাই চেয়েছিলেন সো সবার সম্মিলিত ডিসিশনে টিমটা হয়েছে এবং যেটা আমার কাছে মনে হয় যে একটা ভালো দিক এবং টিমের যদি ব্যালেন্স আপনি দেখেন 4 স্পিনার 4 পেস বোলার এবং বেশ কিছু ব্যাটিংয়েও আমাদের ব্যাকআপ অপশনও আছে সো আমার মনে হয় যে দলটা সাজাতে সহজ হবে অপোনেন্টের স্ট্রেংথ অনুযায়ী উইকেটের কন্ডিশন অনুযায়ী সো অপশন অনেক আছে এখন ইম্পর্টেন্ট হলো আমরা কিভাবে এক্সিকিউট করতেছি আমাদের প্ল্যানগুলো এবং আমরা কত ভালো ক্রিকেট খেলতে পারছি এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট সো এটা যদি আমরা করতে পারি তাহলে অবশ্যই ডেফিনেটলি এখান থেকে ভালো রেজাল্ট নিয়ে যাওয়া সম্ভব আর আমি অনেক দূরে চিন্তা করতে চাচ্ছি না আমার মনে হয় যে যেহেতু এই টিমটা দিয়ে শুরু হচ্ছে একটা নতুন সার্কেল সো এই যদি শুরুটা আমরা ভালো করতে পারি তখন ডে বাই ডে আমরা আসলে আরো কি নতুন ইনক্লুড করা যেতে পারে বা আর একটু কি প্রয়োজন বা সবকিছু ঠিক আছে কিনা আমরা এগুলো নিয়ে তখন পরবর্তীতে ডিসকাস করতে পারবো বাট এই মুহূর্তে আমার মনে হয় যে এই দুইটা টেস্ট ম্যাচ আমরা এই কম্বিনেশনে কত ভালো ক্রিকেট খেলতে পারি এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট
Sorry.
Shanto, you don't have two of your key players like Shakib Al Hasan and Tamim Iqbal in your side. And how do you sort of, have you got any proper replacements there or are you still struggling to find a replacement for those two players?
I think they are not in the team since 2-3 years I think so the boys already those who are playing they are already experienced I hope they will play some good cricket here and we cannot always think about the past I think Shakib bhai and Tamim bhai did a great job for Bangladesh cricket for so many years so I hope the replacement we got they will take the responsibility and do well for the team
You can ask this.
শান্ত গলে গত 4টা টেস্ট ম্যাচে প্রায় 100টা উইকেট স্পিনাররা নিয়েছেন আপনারা কি ডিফারেন্ট কোনো প্ল্যান করেছেন কিনা শ্রীলঙ্কান স্পিনারদের সামলানোর জন্য
না অবশ্যই চ্যালেঞ্জ থাকবে এখানে ব্যাটসম্যানদের চ্যালেঞ্জ থাকবে কারণ আপনি যেটা বললেন যে স্পিনাররা অনেক উইকেট নেয় আবার আপনি যদি দেখেন রানও হয় স্পেশালি প্রথম 2-3 দিনের যদি ব্যাটিংটা খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ রানও হয় সো হ্যাঁ চ্যালেঞ্জ তো সব জায়গায় থাকবে সব কন্ডিশনে থাকবে কিভাবে আমরা ওই চ্যালেঞ্জটা এনজয় করছি এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট এবং আমার মনে হয় ওইভাবে প্রিপারেশন নিয়েছে যতটুকু সম্ভব হয়েছে
Shanto, the last series that you played in Sri Lanka was in Kandy, where you yourself made a lot of runs. Playing in Galle, what are the challenges that you are expecting, and how do you should go about things?
I had some good memories in Kandy, but I haven't got chance to play in Galle, so it's a good opportunity for me. And the challenge, I think, especially with the spin, it will be a little bit more challenge what we heard and we saw before. But if you look at first 2-3 days batting in Galle, it's a good opportunity all the batters to score a lot of runs. So I'm looking for those 2-3 days to score big runs, and I hope I can do it.
So we are ending the Q&A session, and now we do have 2 picture opportunities. First, both captains and both sponsors to have a picture photograph, and after that it would be CBL will be handing over their back of the jersey partnership to Captain Dhananjay. First, let's start with the photographer. Next it would be CBL handing over the back of the jersey partnership to Captain Dhananjay D'Silva. Videographers done. With that, we are ending the briefing. The trophy unveiling will be happening at the ground.